Let's look at this number. How much water is needed to fill up the tank? The tank is 5.6 meters long and the level of the water is 3.5 meters. Then the diameter is given is 2 meters. So what do? We first need to get the height of the space remaining. Okay, we start by getting the height of the space. The height of the space will be the difference of this height and where the water ended. So we are going to say 5.6 meters. We are going to remove 3.5 meters. What remains? Here is 1 decimal point, here is 2, and the unit is meters. After getting that, we need to get the volume of the space. We need to get the volume of the space. Now, how do we get the volume? We say base area multiply with the height. We know our height is here. So our base area, because the base here is circular, if you can try to see, the base is circular and we know the diameter. So we can get the radius by dividing diameter by 2, which is 1 meter. So we shall say the base area is formed by a circle, so that is pi r squared times h. Our pi, let's pick 22 out of 7 times diameter divided by 2 is 1 meter times 1 meter, which give us the radius, times the height, which is 2.1 meters. I will rewrite and change this to a common fraction. It will be 22 out of 7 times 1 meter times 1 meter times 21 meter out of 10. What is down can reduce what is up by 7 1 by 7 3. So what is 22 times 1 meter? We get 22 meters. 22 meters times 1 meter, we get 22 squared meters. Now 22 squared meters times 3 meters, we get 66 cubic meters out of 10. So here we reduce, cancel 0, move a point, so we have 6.6 cubic meters. So that is our volume. From this volume we have got, we can now find the capacity. We can move ahead and go and find the capacity. Capacity, it is volume out of 1000 cubic centimeters. So this is how we measure our capacity. But here we have cubic meters. We need first to change the cubic meters to cubic centimeter. So how can we do that? We need to know that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeter. Now, when we cube it, it will be 1 cubic meters will be the same as 100, we cubic the centimeters. So this one means we multiply whatever is here 3 times. We are going to get here 1 cubic meters is equals to 1 million. When you multiply, you will get 1 million cubic centimeter. Now, having known that I have 6.6 cubic meters, I have to change to cubic centimeters. So this 6.6 is the same as 66 out of 10 times 1 million. And my answer will now be in cubic centimeters. So I cancel this 0 with this 0. I remain with 5 zeros. So when I multiply with 1, I will get my 66. Then I bring my 5 zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the unit is cubic centimeters. Now, I've converted my volume from cubic meters to cubic centimeters. Now I can use the formula of getting the capacity, which says volume out of 1,000 cubic centimeters. So my volume is here. You realize when I divide, the cubic will go away. So my work will be only to divide 6,600,000 divide by 1,000, and now my units will be in liters. So the 3 zeros will go. I'll remain with 6,600 liters. That is now the amount of water that we need to fill up this space. Wow, what a big tongue that was. Thank you for following. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so that you don't miss any lesson that we share.